Power is rarely about strength, it's about strategy. And Law 7, it's the ultimate play of control. Welcome back to the 48 Laws of Power series. Today, we're diving into Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. This isn't about laziness, it's about leverage. This law teaches us a harsh truth. Doing everything yourself isn't powerful, it's exhausting. True power lies in building systems, alliances, and networks that work for you while you stay in control. Think of Steve Jobs. He didn't create the iPhone alone. He orchestrated vision, talent, and timing, then took the stage as the face of innovation. That's Law 7 in action. To apply this, start by identifying talented people you can align with. Delegate effectively. Outsource. Use your energy to manage, not to micromanage. But always ensure you remain the one who tells the story, the one remembered. If this opened your eyes to the real game of power, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for the next law. Remember, power favors the strategist, not the worker.